everyone, and welcome to my dad's workshop. The work that he does in here is what provides for me and my family, and I'm very glad and honored to be here today to show you a little glimpse of the work that he produces from here. More specifically, backsplash installation. Now, backsplash back then, wow, we're talking about tongue twister, but back then it was a panel kept to behind the stove so that any oils, any liquids wouldn't splash against the wall, potentially staining it. In here today to help me are my 3 note cards, my 3 flashcards. And so therefore, today I'm going to show you guys how to install it to the best of my abilities from what I've done from learning from him. Now, backsplash can honestly be put anywhere they'd like it. I've seen homes with a full wall of it. I've also seen homes where they decided to do it in the bathroom. But most commonly, you will see it in kitchens. You will see it obviously behind or near the stove, such as so. And there's so many intricate designs for backsplash. There's different tiles. So this one is one that we worked with commonly. And then there's ones like these ones. But today I'm going to be using a very simple and basic tile for backsplash. It is called a subway tile for its use in a lot of subways. So to start off, you are going to need your tiles. I have this down. You're going to have your space required. You're going to have your adhesive and or putty. Today I'm going to be using caulking. And you're going to need a special serrated spatula. Now, the reason for the spatula is because it helps the caulking smooth into the grooves in a lot of backsplash material. And the grooves are actually there to provide us with prevention from air bubbles, which will help it stick a lot better and make sure it doesn't come off and is durable. I already have my space right here. I already have about 1, 2, 3 placed down. And normally you'd like to have a pattern in mind. Today I'm going with a very simple pattern. Again, simplicity is great. So to start off, you're going to have your tile. I already made about 3 lines on here. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay. Go ahead and use your spatula. Smooth it down into the grooves. And place it down. You want to place it down with a gap of about maybe 1 millimeter from the other ones, like so. Those guys will let it be filled in with grout. Again, a little quick squiggly line. Oops. Once again with the spatula, I'm going to grab some of this one that fell off of here. Smooth it down. And place it onto your space. Again with the little space between tiles. Like so. On to the next one. Okay. Spatula. Look at those grooves. Perfect. And place it down. Okay. And this is about the design that I've got going on. Again, with the spaces, very important for the final grouting. And one more, or actually close a second, close fast. My dad is a lot better at doing this than me, and I'm a lot messier. He's a lot cleaner with it. He has been doing this for about 20 years, and he has shown me how to do it here and there. Like so. Now you're gonna have a lot of caulking on your hands. I mean, if you're not careful at least. One last piece. Now, depending on the area that you are doing, there are exceptions to where you place said tiles. Sometimes you have to go around power outlets or around appliances. Therefore, you have to have a pattern in mind, and there is a skill to it. Today, it is a little bit easier for me because I am just doing it on a piece of scrap wood. And now that we have our tiles all in place, I'm going to put this one a little bit closer. Oh. All of our tiles are in place. These ones are already stuck down with grout. We are going to fill it up. We're going to fill up the empty centimeter spaces. So I'm going to go ahead with some caulking. Fill in these parts. And with your bare fingers, you are going to smooth it over until these spaces are closed and completed. And that is all. Hopefully you do it a lot better than I do. But that is what applying backsplash is like. My brother actually used to know how to do it, and he was very good at it. But yeah, that's how you go on about installing backsplash. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I am, again, very glad to have been able to show you guys a little glimpse of what it is that my dad does. I am very proud of him, and I hope that one day I can achieve just as much as he has. Bye.